Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a project in Clockify. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into app.clockify.me. Now, once you're in here, go to the left panel and go to projects. Okay. Click on it. Now, once you're in here, you'll be able to see all of your projects. If you want to, you can go ahead and filter it out. If not, just go ahead and select a specific project. For example, this test right here, or even this. I'm just going to go ahead over to the right, click on the three dots. Now first, go ahead and click on archive. Okay. Now there will be a pop-up. This project will be available when tracking time. If you want to also mark it as done or all tasks are done, just leave the tick mark ticked. All right. And then hit on archive. Once that's done, there will be a dash right here or a line on the project itself. So again, just go ahead over to the three dots and you have the delete button. All right. If you're really sure, just click on delete. And again, there will be a pop-up. This project will also be removed from all time entries it is assigned to, and this action cannot be reversed. If you're really sure, just go ahead and click on the red button. And now it's gone. And it says here, project successfully deleted. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.